Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hello, I'm Jasmine and welcome to our channel. This is our first video ever, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about us. So we're a small business. We opened almost 2 months ago, and we sell normal size, XL size scrunchies on our Etsy page, and they are available right now if you want to shop or just, take a look. So a little disclaimer, I apologize if my English it's not that fluent because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm Filipina and I also live in Italy. So yeah, we don't speak English that much. So maybe sometimes I don't know how to pronounce something or don't remember how to say that phrase. So yeah, I apologize in advance if you don't understand my English, my poor English. Yeah, let's jump onto the video. So as I told you before, we have 4 satin scrunchies available, and I'm gonna show you the colors that we already sell on our website. And yeah, so the first one is burgundy. Yeah, it's just this dark red and I love it so much. And then we have white, plain white. I think you can say this is a light blue color, I think. Yeah. So the last one is lilac and it's so gorgeous. Yeah, so those are the colors that we already sell. So this week we'll be releasing 5 more colors in honor of spring and summer collection. We decided to add 5 more colors and have a variety of choices. So we chose 5 colors and I'm gonna show you which they are. So the first one is just this baby pink, and I don't know if you see, because I have the lightning over here that plays with the colors. So yeah, and then we have this amazing turquoise over here. We have also a black one. It's so gorgeous. I think it's one of my favorites. Yeah, it's so dark, light, mysterious. We have, so let me know, what do you call this color? Because I did some research and I think it's called acid green, and I thought it was so cool. And last but not least, we have orange, kind of orangey, yellowy. Yeah, so these are the colors that we chose. As you can see, there are so many and we are so happy with the choices. And yeah, for this video I will do the orange one. The sewing machine that I'll be using is the Singer M2405. So yeah, it's very basic, but I love it so much. And yeah, I already did a lot of scrunchies over here. These are the only threads that I use for my sewing machine because they are so strong and I love it so much. Maybe I'll do one day a desk kind of tour because this is like the cutest part of my desk. So yeah. So I think I'm going to take this one. Oh, yes. So if you notice, I use these small pins for sewing because they are so comfortable, and I hate using the pin normal ones because they just do a hole in your fabric and I don't like it. But you know, these are so small and comfortable, so yeah. So I don't actually have the stick that you use for the flip, so I'm gonna use a clip one, and I'm just gonna put it inside the fabric, and just flip it over. So yeah. I actually find this technique very easy, and it takes you only 20 seconds, 30 seconds, depends. I still need to practice on this technique, so yeah. And there you go. So you take out the clip and then you start pulling. So one thing that I like about this satin fabric is that whatever you do to this fabric, it always good as new. Like, you don't see any wrinkles on the fabric, and it's just so nice. And we'll do the same thing on the XL one. So the next step is, of course, putting the garter, and this is one of my favorite parts because everything comes together and I love it so much. So I always like to adjust this part because, as you can see, it looks very chubby. And yeah, you're just gonna adjust it a little bit, and you start scrunching Is that a verb? So we're done making our light orange, yellowy scrunchies, and here's the final result. So thank you so much for watching, and we really hope you like this video, and really hope that it wasn't too boring. Of course, it was our first video and we tried to explain everything, and we will be having a lot more of tutorials. Of course, we have so many ideas, so many scrunchies, and we will announce the official date of the launch of our satin scrunchies, and you can shop them, of course, on our Etsy page. And we will also do a video where we'll open our own website through Shopify. So yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, we really hope you like this video, so give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, write down all your comments and we will answer it. Yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you, bye.